Africa is home to some of the most well-known, loved and feared animals in the world. There are so many wonderful to see, but where to start? We've made an A to Z list of African anima animals to look out for on your next trip to Africa. Keep watching and find out just how fascinating Africa's wildlife really is. The family Vangidae, from Vanga, Malagasy for the hook-billed vanga, Vanga curvirostris, comprises a group of often shrike-like medium-sized birds distributed from Asia to Africa, including the vangas of Madagascar, to which the family owes its name. Many species in this family were previously classified elsewhere in other families. Recent molecular techniques made it possible to assign these species to Vangidae, thereby solving several taxonomic enigmas. In addition to the small set of Malagasy species traditionally called the vangas, Vangidae include some Asian groups, the wood shrikes, Tephrodornis, flycatcher shrikes, Hemipus, and Philantomas. Vangidae belongs to a clade of corvid birds that also includes bushricks, Malaconodidae, Eoras, Egyptinidae, and the Australian butcherbirds, magpies, and currawongs, Cracticidae, and wood swallows, Artamidae, which has been defined as the superfamily Malaconatoidea. They seem closely related to some enigmatic African groups, the helmetshrikes, Prionops, and the shrike flycatchers, Bias and Megabias. On Madagascar, vangas were traditionally believed to be a small family of shrike-like birds. Recent research suggests that several Madagascan taxa most similar in appearance and habits, and formerly considered to be Old World warblers, Old World flycatchers or Old World babblers may be vangas. Yamagishi et al. Found in 2001 that Natonia appeared to belong with the vangas. The vangas are an example of adaptive radiation, having evolved from a single founding population into a variety of forms adapted to various niches occupied by other bird families in other parts of the world. They differ in size, color, and bill shape, but are similar in skull shape and bony palate structure. They are small to medium-sized birds, varying from 12 to 32 centimeters in length. Many have strong, hooked bills similar to those of shrikes. The helmet vanga has a particularly large bill with a casque on top. Other species, such as the Natonian, have a small, thin bill. The sickle-billed vanga is notable for its long, curved bill used to probe into holes and cracks. Most vangas are largely black, brown or gray above and white below. Exceptions include the blue and white blue vanga and the blue-gray Newthich vanga. The helmet vanga is mostly black with a rufous back. Male Bernier's vangas are entirely black while the females are brown. It is one of several species with distinct male and female plumage, while in other species the sexes are identical. Most vangas have whistling calls. All vangas are endemic to Madagascar apart from the blue vanga, which also occurs in the Comoros on Maheli Island and, at least formerly, on Grand Comore. They are found throughout Madagascar in a variety of forest and scrub habitats. Several species including Van Dam's vanga and sickle-billed vanga can be found in the dry deciduous forests in the west of the island. Some such as Crossley's babbler, helmet vanga and Bernier's vanga are restricted to rainforest in the east of the island. Lafresnaye's vanga and the recently discovered red-shouldered vanga occur in subarid thorn scrub in the southwest. Their diet can include insects, earthworms, millipedes, lizards, and amphibians. Blue vanga and chabert vanga occasionally eat fruit. Many species feed in small groups, often in mixed species foraging flocks. The hook-billed vanga and Lafresnaye's vanga tend to forage alone. Vangas have a variety of different foraging strategies. Many species glean food as they move through the branches. The Newthich vanga climbs up trunks and branches like a Newthich, but does not climb downwards as Newthiches do. Crossley's babbler forages by walking along the forest floor amongst the leaf litter. The chabert vanga and the Tyler's vanga often fly into the air to catch prey. The three Xenopyrostris vangas use their laterally flattened bills to strip bark off trees to search for food underneath. Most species nest in pairs, building cup-shaped nests using twigs, bark, roots and leaves. The sickle-billed vanga nests in groups and builds a large nest of sticks. Some species of vanga are common such as the chabert vanga, which can survive in secondary woodland and plantations of introduced trees. Several other species are threatened by the loss of their forest habitat. Pollen's vanga is classed as near threatened by BirdLife International, and the red-shouldered vanga, Bernier's vanga, helmet vanga, and red-tailed Natonia are regarded as vulnerable. Van Dam's vanga is classed as endangered because it is restricted to a small area of northwest Madagascar, where the forest is rapidly disappearing due to clearance for agriculture and uncontrolled bushfires.